Yeah, good day everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Just gonna take a quick look at ETHUSD here. I have no idea why any of you guys are shorting. Yes, we're reaching into all-time highs, but we're not seeing any signs of distribution. There's no solid breaks in market structure here, so really there's no reason to be shorting at all yet anyway, okay? So let's just take a quick look at what we're seeing. So peaking just above all-time highs here, right above this previous week's high as well. And we are about to see a weekly close. If we do see a weekly close above this base here, then we can expect that this will hold as support. Am I saying just buy at the top here and then have you stop below 900? Of course not, okay? I'm just saying that the first level that would need to break for us to be heading into a downtrend again would be this base here, okay? Now, let's go on to the daily. Pretty much the same story here. We are seeing a few sweeps, which we can see a little bit clearer on the lower time frames. So like I said, generally speaking, for a high to be formed or for a low to be formed, we need to sweep some kind of significant level, which we have obviously, the all-time high, but generally we see some kind of distribution before we actually start to reverse. So what I mean by that is, here's the all-time high. Let's say we peaked above this all-time high, came above, started making lower lows here, and then continued to distribute, okay? And distribution, again, is literally just broken bases, so the same strategy that I've been teaching, the exact same pattern. So you have a high, a low, the previous high is swept, and then the low is broken, okay? So distribution tends to look a lot like this. So if we swept above the all-time high and then we distributed and started to fall off, then we can start to say, okay, you know, now we may actually start to head into a downtrend. But for now, we're not seeing anything like that. Okay, so no reason to be shorting. Okay, so we have. So now that we know that we shouldn't be shorting, what should we be doing? Just going long, okay? Now, obviously, you have your spot positions, and then if you are a trader, you have your intraday positions as well. So we're just going to go over exactly like how you could have compounded. This isn't hindsight either. All of these levels and all of this analysis was called inside of Trader Main's group or just on Twitter. So essentially, now that I know that we are in an uptrend, now we're not seeing any signs of a reversal, I can look to get long. And I look for the exact same pattern, except the bullish version of it, okay? So we have the low, the high that swept the low, we break above that, okay, and then we continue back down. And we see the exact same thing here. Now, what is this called? This is a double confirmation, okay? So it's the exact same pattern inside of itself. Okay, so we have the first confirmation, the second confirmation. Okay, we broke above here, and then we continued up. Okay. Now, where did we retrace back to a few days ago? Right into this level, right into this broken base. Okay, it's not a coincidence. And then we get another confirmation here. Right. Here's the low. Here's the high that swept the low, break above. So what is this? What are we seeing here? Okay, essentially we are seeing accumulation at bullish levels. This is what accumulation looks like. All right. So my target for today will just be this high. There's no reason to short. All right, there's literally no reason. There's a few different long entries you could catch here. Just depends what we see. So if we do get a sweep of this level and then some kind of structure break here, okay, then we'll head a little bit lower down to this level. Right there. Right there, right. Now, if we do get a retrace back down into this level, just look for another confirmation again, the exact same pattern. Okay, right here. Seeking this high. Now, if we do break above this high and then just form another confirmation here, then we can look to get long again. Okay, and what that means is that we would most likely see a significant size expansion up to about 1600. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're at higher time frame resistance, yes, but we're not seeing any signs of distribution, no signs of reversing. or no signs of a reversal. In fact, we're actually still seeing signs of accumulation. Okay, so it's just telling me that the run's not over. If we do break above into the 1600 range and start to reverse from there, then we could possibly see a larger correction down into just below 1000 again. But I highly doubt that. There's no signs that move is going to occur. So just playing what I see on the chart at the moment, and that is longs. No worries. So targeting 1600 today. Let's see how we go. Thanks, guys. Bye.